Hey guys, what is up? How is your day going? My day is going great and I hope yours is too. Now today, as you can see, I am not doing a face cam video or nothing like that. I am actually going to be teaching you how to get a 3D intro for your YouTube channel quick and easy. Now, the app that I am using is called Panzoid. You can search it up on your Google or Chrome. It is the first link. So then, when you find a creation that you want to create your own out of, come back to this video and I will show you how to do it.
You played that boy.